What are disadvantages of AI? One major disadvantage of AI is job displacement. Machines and algorithms can perform repetitive tasks faster and cheaper than humans. This means many roles in manufacturing, customer service, and even some professional fields risk being automated. While AI creates new jobs too, the transition can be painful, causing economic instability and requiring workers to retrain for new industries. AI systems learn from data, but if that data reflects human biases, AI can unintentionally reinforce discrimination. For example, biased AI in hiring or law enforcement can unfairly target certain groups. This raises serious ethical concerns and highlights how AI is only as fair as the data and oversight behind it. AI thrives on data, and gathering huge amounts of personal information can threaten your privacy. From facial recognition to behavioral tracking, AI can expose sensitive details without your knowledge or consent. This leads to risks like identity theft, surveillance, and loss of control over your own data. AI systems can make critical decisions, but determining accountability when things go wrong is challenging. If an autonomous vehicle crashes or an AI denies a loan unfairly, who is responsible? The developer, the company, or the AI itself? This lack of clear liability complicates legal and ethical frameworks. As society depends more on AI, we risk becoming vulnerable to failures or cyber attacks. A malfunctioning AI could disrupt healthcare, transportation, or financial services. Malicious actors might exploit AI weaknesses to cause widespread damage, making robust security essential. Subscribe for daily answers to questions you didn't know you had.